Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can add your spending limits on Instagram. So first of all, what you have to do is launch your Instagram account, then select your profile, select three-bar icon. You will see Creator, Tools and Controls. Go ahead, open it. Under Creator, select Ads, Payments. Now likewise, select Billing and Payments. At this page, you will see your payment method. In my case, I have not added any, but if you have added your payment method, you will also see spending limits. From there, you have to tap on that spending limits and add a amount you would like to increase. But for some reasons, if you're not being able to see that spending limits option, even though you have already added a payment, select Get Payment Support. Now likewise, select My Payment Method. And you may go ahead, select any of these options that you find relevant. And likewise, follow the on-screen prompt and get help resolving your issue.